Hello mga sisis! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial inspired by my zodiac sign. As you can see from the title, the zodiac sign that I'm inspired with is my very own zodiac sign, which is Pisces. Aid po sa kaalaman nyo, I was born in first week of March, which makes me a Pisces. I have here some makeup inspo. As you can see, it will be ethereal, glowy, blushy makeup look. I will make this makeup tutorial very affordable also, and I will make it more easier for beginners. Without further ado, let's get into the video. And as usual, nakapaglagay na ako ng lenses and sunblock off cam. And since glowy yung ating makeup look for today, I'll be using Star Flash Quicksand Rose Makeup Setting Spray. Since glowy yung base niya, para ito, setting spray ito. It's from Asla. Shake lang natin siya. Yan. Tapos yan, shimmery. Cute. Maglalagay lang tayo ng setting spray muna to make our base more glowy. Patayuin lang natin siya. It makes our base more tacky, no? Yun, for base, as much as possible, gagawin lang natin siyang light. Kasi yung mga makeup inspo talaga, manipis lang yung base nila. And they are keeping it glowy. So, I'm going to use a concealer, which is yung Beauty Glaze na concealer in the shade medium. Kukonceal ko lang yung mga kailangan nating conceal. Yan, yung light lang. Yan. Tanong ko lang guys, are you all believers of zodiac signs? Kasi katulad namin, we're Pisces, most of us naniniwala talaga sa zodiac signs. I'm just going to blend it by brush. No. We're always a believer of zodiac signs. We Pisces, we always trust our instincts. We always follow our intuition. They often see us as dreamy people. Pero yan, lahat naman, totoo naman yun. Tapos, pagkatapos i-blend natin siya ng sponge. I'm going to just keep it more light and glowy, no? Tapos, maglalagay ako since as of the moment, wala akong liquid blush. Ang gagamitin ko is itong liquid lipstick from Pink Flash in the shade PO2 as a liquid blush. Konting-konti lang. Yan, tapos blend ko lang siya ng brush, ng wheels. We're going to use a concealer ulit using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Yung mga part lang natin sa under eyes na gusto natin i-highlight. Konti lang. Yan. Yun, since ako nga po ay pinanganak ng March, I am considered a Pisces. Again, I'm going to blend it with this fluffy round brush na malaki. It's a concealer brush. It's from Manoj. Ganda natin siya. Since yun nga, fan ako ng mga tarot readings, yun lagi, as of the moment, yun yung lagi ko nakikita sa feed ko. So, nakaisip ako ng content. Gumawa ako ng content na updated na makeup tutorial here in YouTube regarding Pisces makeup. Kasi Pisces makeup has two different style, yung ethereal style, and then the other one which is yung mysterious na foxy eye. Yun yung pag Pisces rising. And if you want to do that, if you want me to do that also, just comment down below. This tutorial will bilis lang siya. I will make it more easier for you also, no? And then to set the concealer, I'll be using this Ashley Shine Monochrome Velvet Powder. No, ipa-flash ko na lang siya sa skin. I'll be using this brush pang set ng under eyes. Yun, gagamitin ko lang to just to set my powder. Yan. I-maintain natin lang yung glowy base. I'm going to make a playlist about me creating different makeup style. If gusto niyo yun. Yun, I'll be bronzing my face with the use of this Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade For Sure. Pa-bronze ko lang siya ng konti. Yan. Sa totoo lang, nakita ko lang to sa nagbrowse lang talaga ako sa TikTok, tapos naisipan ko gumawa ng tutorial. Contour ko lang yung nose ko with the use of this palette. Ito yung Judy Doll na dupe. Makikita nyo lang, mabilis na naman ito makikita sa TikTok Shop, Shopee. I will just use the cool tone shade. After the powder, isa-set ko ulit siya using this Asla na setting spray. Yan. To give, para ibalik yung glow ng mukha natin. It makes my makeup, kahit okay oily. Before putting on brows, maglalagay lang ako ng setting powder. I'm using this Lamelia na setting powder. Magbe-bake lang ng slide, pero konti lang. Yan. Tapos, for brows, in that inspo, kasi yung mga inspo na nakikita ko talaga, yung brows nila is, it's very undone, parang airy lang yung brows nila. So, I will make my brows more lighter, more softer. For brows, I'm just going to use this Ashley Shine na eyebrow cream. Yan. If ever na mahanap ko siya sa ibang kasi nabibili ko lang ito mismo sa mga store eh. If makikita ko siya online, ipa-flash ko siya na lang dito sa screen. No? Ipa-flash ko na lang yung mga products sa screen. Pomade, I'm just going to use a mascara. I'll put a mascara lang. Very, very slight lang kasi I don't want it to look very strong. For eyes, gagayahin ko lang yung inspo natin, and then I will also put a little bit of my twist on it. And after since we're going to put color nga again, I'm going to put a slightest bit of concealer sa eyelids. Yan. Konting-konti lang. Tapos i-blend ko lang siya using the brush. First, I'm going to use this one. This sky blue shade na matte for transition. I will just put it light all around the crease. Yan, lagay ko lang siya sa crease. Just a simple wash of color. Kailangan yung color niya is very wash lang. Para i-define siya ng konti, I'm just going to use the same brush and get the blue shade in here sa palette na Be Crazy palette. Gagamitin ko lang yung shade na Emotion para i-define lang ng konti. Tap the brush kasi yung pigment nito is yan. Lagay ko lang siya sa outer corner. Again, don't put too much pressure on your brush. Blend it. I'm just going to use a clean brush na walang lamang product. Ipa-blend ko lang siya. I will just get this Alam mo, itong shimmer shade na to na worship dito sa Be Crazy na palette, ang tagal ko na siyang inaay kaso hindi ko lang alam kung saan ko siya gagamitin. But for now, may paggagamitan na siya. And I'll just get it by a finger na lang. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa gitna ng mata ko. I will just put it all over the lid. Tapos, this palette. First, I'm just going to get this one, the gold one here. And lalagay ko lang siya sa middle. When working on this kind of eyeshadow, yung mga shimmer, it's best to use the fingers na lang. Tapos, we have here a glittery topper sa, ano na to, sa shade, sa lalagay na to, sa palette na to. I'm just going to use it and put here. Yan. Kita nyo yun? Kita nyo to? Yan. I'm just going to put it in the middle. Diba? Ang ganda. Brush ko lang yung powder. Yan. Tapos, sa ilalim ng mata natin, I'm just going to use again the other shade na ginamit ko kanina. Using this small na brush, kukunin ko lang yung shade na Emotion sa palette. Tapos, lalagay ko lang siya sa ilalim ng mata. Here. Tapos, magwa-white eyeliner ako. I'm going to use this BYS. I'm going to use this BYS na white eyeliner in the shade Soft White. Lalagay ko lang siya dito. Using this palette again, yung shade na ginamit kanina natin, which is yung Hero Worship, na lalagay ko din sa ilalim ng mata. Dito sa... Lalagay ko lang siya ulit. Ganda. Yan. Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng blush. The blush that I'm going to use is Kissy natin. As of the moment kasi ito lang yung blush na meron ako. So, yan. Yan. And for the eyeliner, I'm just going to use this eyeliner Duo Stop ng Glide by Careline. Yan, naglagay lang din ako ng inner wing para mas cute. Tapos, to further make it cute, yung ginapit ko na topper sa taas ng mata ko, ilalagay ko din siya sa cheeks para mas ethereal yung atake niya. Yan, pat ko lang siya, tapos lagay ko lang siya dito. Yan. Yan, lagay ko siya dito. It will act as our highlighter na. Tapos, sa nose naman, for nose highlight, ang gagamitin ko na lang is tong eyeshadow dito na light here in the same palette. This palette, I just bought it for, as far as I know, 30 pesos. Diba? Highlighter dito sa inner tear ducts ko. Yeah. Lashes. Maglalagay muna ako ng mascara using this CZ mascara. Maglalagay naman ako ng lashes. Ang lashes kasi na nakikita ko sa kanila was outer corner talaga. For lashes, I'm going to use this Cluster Lashes by Little Girls. It's JO1. Lagay ko lang siya off cam and I'll be back. I already put on lashes off cam. Tapos for lips, maglalagay muna ako ng nude shade, which is yung Light by Careline in the shade Pudding. Ide-direct ako na siya sa labi ko. Ayan. Tapos, after ko niya maglagay, ilalagyan ko lang siya ng eyeshadow. I will just use the shade Adore from the Be Crazy palette. Lalagay ko lang siya sa top lip ko. Here. Yan. Parang smudge look siya. Tapos, I'm going to use this lip sheer balm from DC Cosmetics in the shade Lychee. And maglalagay lang din ako ng gloss using this JMCY na lip gloss. To avoid looking oily masyado yung gloss nyo, lagay nyo lang siya sa top lip, dito sa Cupid's bow, tsaka dito. Yan. Ang ganda. Ayan. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng to add up sa pagka-fantasy ng ating look. I will put a little bit of gems. To finish up this look, I'm going to use this Asla. Shake lang natin siya. Ayan, ito. Alam kong nakikita nyo, but I did put a little bit gems here and there. Finalize ko lang yung look natin and I'll be back. And this is the final look. Thank you po for watching my videos. For more videos, kindly visit my YouTube channel. If you like my video, I will appreciate if you subscribe, like, and share po. And para updated kayo to my other YouTube videos. Again, thank you for watching and see you in my next video.